Hey everybody, this is James from TeaDB bringing you another Inbetweenisode. Hope you guys are all having an amazing tea day. Today I am drinking some more very just inexpensive ripe pu'erh tea. This one's another tea from Dayi. As many of you know, they make very reliable, decent ripe pu'erhs. This is a tea that I think I bought for around $20 from Yunnan sourcing. So really inexpensive, very affordable brew. It's another one I've been drinking with my wife on and off. Unlike the other ones, I haven't quite got through a full cake of this yet, but we have, we've probably got a quarter or a fifth of the way through already. So been having this for maybe about a week or two. And it's also one that I recommend. All three of these cakes, the 7452 as well as the Xiangshan Yayan, if I recall correctly, they're all good. And they're all, about the same caliber of tea as each other. But they have different characters, and I enjoy them. So thank you to Boychik for actually recommending this tea to me. I think it's a very solid tea. Similar to the other episodes, I am using a big old pot, 250 milliliters, something like that. This is just how I drink my ripe pu'erh in the morning. I'll serve up a couple big mugs for my wife as well as for myself. So we are, I'm coming back to this tea in the afternoon. Just kind of a casual brew. So 2015 again, and Xiangshan, so stands for Elephant Mountain. Cheers, guys. So I'd say as far as ripe goes, this is really, really on the creamy, soft end. I would say it has a lot of sort of like, as much as you can categorize it like this, so like stereotypically feminine characteristics to it. The 7452, I'd say, in comparison, had more greenness, keeping in mind that it's still certainly a ripe compared with this tea. And I'm not sure if that's because they're using aged material or it's just more fully fermented. But despite brewing out, fairly dark at this point, it's just really, really soft, really, really creamy, really very easy to drink. Of the three teas, this might be the easiest to drink. Yeah, so some sort of light woody flavors. It still continues to be really, really soft. Really smooth. In comparison with the previous ripe that I had, the Xiangshan, that one had more of sort of like your natural aged taste to it. Brewed up a bit darker in a sort of, woodier, stronger, more in your face way. This one is just pure smoothness. It's just a very comfortable tea to drink. It's not a tea that you would necessarily have if you really want to concentrate on the tea and have a very concentrated session. To me, this tea, very squarely fits into the daily drinker category, which I think is totally fine. So just really, really smooth. I think Dayi is a really reliable source of ripe pu'erh. This is just clean. It's tasty. It's a good recipe. I think it's well worth trying for people, especially if you want something that's really, really super easy drinking. I could see this tea being a good work tea, for sure. I could see it being sort of a good contrast versus some of the more lighter fermented teas. To me, this tea, I can't say I detect a whole lot of room for it to age. Not that I think most people are buying a ripe pu'erh to age. Just a little woodier in this one. This is just a highly enjoyable tea. I'm smelling it now. Probably could get a couple more infusions out of this big mug. So some very aromatic wood woody flavors coming out of that. Pretty aromatic as far as a ripe pu'erh. Nothing fishy, nothing stinky about it. Just solid and well made. It's sort of just, there's no like deep, heavy aftertaste with this tea, but my cheeks, my mouth, sort of tasting that really soft mellowness of the tea. Let's have a little bit more and see what the mouthfeel and stuff is like. So just really soft. It just sort of sits in your mouth and swallow. Very basic overall. And yeah, I think that just about concludes this tea. I don't have a lot to say. The tea is not changing steep to steep. That's been pretty consistent with my experiences with it. It's just very easy drinking. I think it might be the easiest of the 3 teas that I brought on to drink. I'm going to give this tea a 5.8 rating as well, which is the same rating I gave the Xiangshan, or Actually, I'm not even sure. It's the same rating I gave the last Dayi tea that I brought on. I think it's very different from that tea, but sort of same caliber overall. I think it's worth buying a cake of if you like drinking Dayi ripes, especially if you're looking for some sort of casual drinker. And let me know how you guys like this Inbetweenisode. Let me know if there are other ripe pours that you would like me to bring on and that you recommend, and I'll see if I can check those out, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.